Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Ambu Bag. Ambu Bag is artificial manual breathing unit. Ambu Bag is a non-breathing resuscitation bag. It is used in adults, has 1.2 liters. It is used in children. The children Ambu Bag in children should have 500 ml. The Ambu Bag in newborns will have 250 ml. It is non-breathing resuscitation bag. Ambu Bag gives 80 to 100% of air. Ambu Bag is an artificial manual breathing unit, and it is a non-breathing resuscitation bag. In adults, it gives 1.2 liters. Children, it gives 500 liters, and for newborns, it gives 250 liters, and it gives 80 to 100% of oxygen. So this is an Ambu Bag which is connected to the mask.
thank you and thank you for watching.